Think squats are just for leg day? Squats are a powerhouse exercise that can reshape your entire body, boosting strength, burning fat, and transforming your posture, balance, and even your mental resilience. This isn't just about building legs, it's about redefining what your body can do. Stick around, and let's reveal why daily squats could be the game changer your body's been waiting for. Before we dive in, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and tap the notification bell, so you're always the first to get pro tips that take your fitness game to the next level. 1. Strengthen and sculpt your lower body muscles. First, let's talk about the foundation, your legs. Squats target some of the largest muscle groups in the body, including the quadriceps in the front of your thigh, hamstrings in the back, and calves in your lower leg. When you perform a squat, each of these muscles contracts, stabilizes, and powers through the movement. Over time, this builds strength and definition in your legs, making them more toned and muscular. But the impact doesn't stop there. Squats engage multiple muscles at once, which stimulates growth hormone release. This triggers overall muscle growth across your body, not just in your legs, which benefits all your workouts. 2. Core strength and stability for better posture and injury prevention. Squats are more than just a leg workout, they're a full-body stabilizer, especially for your core. Every squat requires your core muscles, including your abs, obliques, and lower back, to activate and support the movement. Think of your core as the body's central support system. A stronger core helps protect your spine, improve posture, and prevent lower back pain. By making daily squats a habit, you're constantly training your body to be stable and upright, which reduces your risk of injury and makes even simple activities like lifting groceries or bending down easier and safer. 3. Increased calorie burn and metabolic boost for fat loss. One of the most exciting benefits of daily squats is their power to burn calories and boost your metabolism. Because squats engage multiple large muscle groups simultaneously, your body burns more energy, essentially torching calories both during and after your workout. Building muscle through squats also has a lasting impact. The more muscle you have, the higher your resting metabolic rate becomes. This means your body continues to burn calories at a faster rate, even while you're resting. With daily squats, you're not only sculpting muscle but also revving up your metabolism, which can help you shed excess fat and maintain a leaner physique. 4. Strengthen bones and protect joints for longevity. Squats aren't just about muscles, they're crucial for your bones and joints too. Every time you squat, your bones experience controlled stress, which prompts them to become denser and stronger, a process essential for preventing osteoporosis as we age. Squats also strengthen the ligaments and tendons around your knees, hips, and ankles, making these joints more resilient to everyday wear and tear. As you build stronger leg muscles, these muscles also stabilize your joints, which reduces the risk of injuries. So squats don't just make you look stronger, they make you structurally more sound and injury-resistant for the long haul. 5. Improved cardiovascular health and circulation. Most people think cardio means running or cycling, but did you know that squats can benefit your heart too? Squats activate large muscle groups, requiring more oxygen to fuel them. As you perform squats, your heart and lungs work harder to keep up with the demand for oxygenated blood. This increases your cardiovascular endurance and, over time, strengthens your heart and improves blood circulation. With better circulation, you'll have a reduced risk of heart disease and improved endurance in daily activities. Daily squats essentially give you a dose of cardio for a healthier heart and stronger lungs. 6. Lift and shape your glutes for stability and power. Squats are famous for toning the legs, but they're also one of the best moves for shaping the glutes. When you squat, your glute muscles, the largest muscles in your body, are deeply engaged, which leads to greater strength and firmness. Strong glutes aren't just about aesthetics. They support your hips and lower back, which helps you move with more stability and balance. Plus, strong glutes give you more explosive power in activities like running, jumping, and lifting. So daily squats enhance both your looks and your athletic performance. 7. Build mental discipline and resilience. Daily squats don't just transform your body, they strengthen your mind too. Making the decision to squat every day, even on days when you're tired or busy, builds mental toughness. Pushing through each rep trains you to be more disciplined, and as you start seeing results, your confidence grows. This mental resilience extends beyond your workout. You'll find yourself more focused, motivated, and determined in other areas of life. Daily squats build a stronger, more resilient you, not just physically, but mentally as well. 8. Enhanced balance, flexibility, and functional strength. Squats improve your balance, flexibility, and functional strength, all essential for daily living. As you squat, your body constantly adjusts to maintain stability, which improves your balance over time. Squats also stretch your hips, knees, and ankles, increasing flexibility and range of motion. This functional strength is crucial for everyday activities, whether you're lifting, bending, or simply walking. With better balance, flexibility, and strength, you'll feel more agile, less prone to injuries, and better equipped for physical challenges in daily life. Whether you're a fitness beginner or advanced athlete, a few minutes of squats each day can lead to massive results. Your legs, sculpt your glutes, strengthen your core, boost your metabolism, protect your joints, and even build mental resilience. Just a few minutes of squats each day can make a huge difference in your health, strength, and confidence. So why not start today? Start with a small daily goal, maybe 20 or 30 squats, and watch as your body transforms week by week. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share this video with someone ready to make a change. Let's squat our way to a stronger, healthier life together.